There might still be confusion and misinterpretation about the difference between the spirit and the soul in our human intellectual world. It is most likely because we just have not yet accomplished the true understanding of the divine as the most powerful mechanism, and therefore do not understand the full significance of these two living forces. Both the spirit and the soul were pre-designed with a special and higher purpose in the divine play of human evolution. For it is only when one is evolved to a human state that the soul emerges and the inner light can shine. The word soul usually has religious connotations and refers to the essence of a living being. The soul acts as a link between the material body and the spiritual self. As per the ancient scriptures of India, soul, known as Jivatma, is explained as the deciding factor of the person's life on earth, that which accumulates all his or her dharma, righteousness, obligation, and incurs karma, consequences of action, work, or deed in a particular lifetime. While the soul interacts with the things around us and the physical world through 5 basic senses, the function of the spirit is to contact and nurture the relationship with God, or the Creator. The spirit, or the Atma in Sanskrit, is an eternal life force that can be compared to a mirror which reflects the divine. Thus it is who we are or desire to be is reflected through our spirit as well, especially once the subtle energy within us is activated and we desire to ascend in our spiritual self. In fact, the subtle interpretation of the spirit and its effect upon the soul is found in festivities of many Eastern cultures, each celebrating the importance of light in a unique way. In India, for example, people around the country light up their houses with lamps and candles when celebrating Diwali, the festivals of lights. Lights in all shapes and forms are lit up both inside and outside the house to illuminate entire surroundings. Some decorate glass bowls with floating candles. So when we look closely at the symbolism of this ritual, here the burning light would be the spirit, and the glass bowl represents the body, while the water would be representing the soul, as it reflects the light of the candles. While the spirit is eternal and incorruptible, the soul can be tempted and can fall into traps of seduction or provocation. I'm sure we all had 1 or 2 experiences of that. In a nutshell, an individual's spiritual journey starts with seeking for the absolute truth within the capacity of his human body and a soul composed of 5 elements and senses within. They are bound together like a wrapped-up gift awaiting to be opened. Once the individual desires to seek beyond, he or she receives the experience of self-realization and becomes aware of the spirit, and a rapport between the individual and the spirit can take place. The enlightened spirit gradually evolves to a point where the individual can rise to a state where the soul unites with it, so that the person has the free will to separate from body, senses, experiences, and thus becomes a fully realized soul that is part and parcel of the whole universe. Jivatma is the soul.
Jivatma is the soul.
But Atma is the soul.
Is the spirit. And Jivatma is the spirit but individualized in one person.
No. Jivatma is the soul. Means with these 5 elements. But these 5 elements gives you your own identity, your own speciality, your own particularity, let's say.
these 5 elements. The way they are placed in you.
Okay.
That's the causal. Causal of the elements that are within. Then this causal act on the chakras, and through the chakras, these causal act on the other, the grosser side. So from the subtle to the subtler, to the, you can say subtler. The subtlest, you can say, is the spirit, supposing. Then the subtler is the soul. And the subtle, we are the chakras. And the gross is the body.
So England should reflect on Italy then. And England should reflect on Italy.
The soul is that's why all art you do from here. Now soul is the essence of all the elements of this Europe is here. And England is the reflection.
Is the
Just
reflection.
So England has to reflect on Italy.
See, the water in the glass is reflecting the light. England is the light, and the light has to shine out of Italy, which is the water. I mean, the 5 elements in a way.
Now it's clear.
You understand?
And soul can move, spirit can move out of soul. That's why the Romans went all the way to England. This is the reason. In that sea.
In a certain sense, the soul is the support of the spirit.
No, soul, yes, of course.
Yes.
And both put together is the soul actually. The spirit and the
Is the
causal.
soul of one
and the causal.
individual.
Yeah. Put together is the soul. You see, like a mirror and its reflection on it. Both put together is the soul. Now the vibrations are, what we feel, are the reflection of the light of the spirit. The spirit does not vibrate. It does not vibrate. It's those elements, they vibrate. Like you can say that if you put a sound on top of this, it will vibrate. You can put a stone in it, the stone won't vibrate, but this will vibrate, like that.
Attention! Now we have a carton.
Cartoon! It's called Cartoon!
Attention! Now we have a carton.
A hungry seeker walks up to a ramen vendor and says, "Make me one with everything, please." The vendor hands him his ramen with everything and says, "That will be $7, please." The seeker hands over $20 bill and waits, whilst the vendor just stares at him. Awkwardly the seeker asks, "What about my change?" "Ah," replies the ramen vendor, "change must come from within." Thank you for watching our video. Shri Mataji's words are the true source of our knowledge. We hope they have been communicated in the right context for our series on advanced Sahaja Yoga themes. Please subscribe so you can join us next time when we present a new topic. Jai Shri Mataji.